Hi, this is David with David's Tutorials, and in today's very short video, I'm going to show you something that I just discovered in Windows, how to clean up your work area. If you're like me, you very frequently have many windows open at one time. You can see right here in this particular window, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 windows open at one time here. It makes a very cluttered work area. To clean up your work area and make it so you have no distractions, let me show you what to do. Just take the window that you want to work in. Let's say it's this Notepad++ window. Grab the title bar, click and hold with your mouse cursor, and shake it right to left. And look at that. All of the other windows have disappeared. And that's really all there is to it. To bring back your windows, all you do is grab that title bar again, click and hold with your mouse cursor, shake right to left, and look at that. All the windows are back. Hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something. I sure did when I found out about this. Share it with some others if you know they might like it. If you have questions or comments, put them in the comment section down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.